Let's kick things off with instant coffee. Just 1 teaspoon. Super quick, simple, and it hits hard when you need that boost. Instant coffee gives you that dopamine kick. It sharpens focus, lifts your mood, and fuels your body with energy. But don't overdo it. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Not only does it sweeten the deal, but it's a natural energy booster too. Honey improves circulation, supports testosterone levels, and helps stamina. It's the perfect mix of sweet and powerful. Now let's bring in garlic. I'm grating 1 clove on a fine grater. Yes, the scent is strong, but the benefits even stronger. Garlic is one of the best testosterone boosters out there. It supports circulation, reduces stress, and keeps your body firing on all cylinders. By the way, where are you tuning in from? Drop your country in the comments and let's see how far this powerhouse drink travels. Mix everything together. You'll see the garlic juice blend perfectly with the honey. Now let's add a pinch of nutmeg. Nutmeg does wonders for improving circulation and lifting your mood. It's also known as a natural aphrodisiac. A little goes a long way though. Next up, black pepper. A pinch of pepper enhances nutrient absorption and amplifies the effects of everything else. Small amount, big impact. Fun fact, piperine, the active compound in black pepper, is known to raise testosterone levels and improve brain function. Now let's squeeze half a lemon. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, which helps lower cortisol, that pesky stress hormone, and supports healthy testosterone production. Pour the juice in and stir everything together. You want that smooth, powerful blend to really come to life. This isn't just a drink, it's a natural performance booster. It'll enhance libido, energy, focus, and overall vitality, all without any artificial ingredients. I'm pouring it into my mug. It might look unusual, but trust me, it works. Top it off with some hot water and let it sit for a couple of minutes to fully blend. This drink hits harder than regular coffee. It boosts circulation, balances hormones, and keeps you energized and confident all day long. Before sipping, give it a good stir. The garlic and honey can settle at the bottom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I've got more natural power recipes coming your way. See you next time.